How to see who sends you NGL messages for free. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open NGL on your device. Here, click on the message you want to see who sent you. Then at the bottom, you'll find who sent this, press on who sent this. If you press on who sent this, you will find this kind of screen. Here, you will need to press on unlock, add your banking details, and then it will only unlock. Another thing which you can do is press on reply at the bottom, which will directly lead you to your Instagram. Here, type in who sent this and press on your story at the bottom right corner of your screen or bottom left corner of your screen. After you add your story, the person who sent you will view the story and reply to you. This is how to see who sent you NGL messages for free. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.